Hi all, welcome back to another video of Earthy Evil. So, you guys might notice what this is. This is the iPhone 12, but I have bought this a bit late when the iPhone 13 was released, but now here we go. I got the black color 128 gigs. I've already opened it up, but I'm just going to show you guys. It comes in a really thin packaging. This is just 7.5 mm thick, so you just get one Apple sticker and all the paperwork is literally half the small as before, and you do get a type C to a lightning cable, charging cable. So that's all you get in the box. Other than that, it's really thin. Now let's see the iPhone 12 itself. The black doesn't look exactly black. It's kind of like a shiny blue at some light. Yeah, right there. And it's a Gorilla Glass black with a ceramic shield. It has a 1.8 aperture lens with the camera, and it's really good. I will show you some sample photos. You get a mic here, and the call quality and the speakers are actually really good. I didn't know that they would be really good given the amount of grills. So let me just on it. Even the power button comes a bit longer than before. So guys, I have also upgraded my iPhone to iOS 15, and I will show you more reviews on that in my upcoming videos. So iOS 15 actually makes the phone run faster and makes the phone just load apps more faster. People were saying that there are bugs with iOS 15, but I didn't overcome any bugs right now. Probably they've been fixed by the Apple engineers. So I will show you the camera quality just in a bit, but let us go to the A14 chips speed. Let's go to Safari. It's really fast. For example, you can go to the Microsoft Store like just in a second, or even the Apple Store. There is the iPhone 13 right now for the same price, but I got this for 62,000 rupees. I've also got this camera protective shield, which is made of glass and translucent plastic. I have put this Apple sticker here just to protect the silver logo just behind it. So that's all for the unboxing, guys. I'll show you all the features in my next videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.